Hey, haven't used our dominoes in a long time, so let's get those dominoes out to play Fraction Domino Top It. This game is very, very simple, very straightforward. The idea of this game is you're going to put out all the dominoes, turn them face down, try not to pay attention, and you can use the double 6, the double 9, the double 12, whatever fraction you feel comfortable with. Okay, and the way that this game works is each player is going to turn over a fraction and they're going to compare them. Okay, so if I turn this one over, this one is 4/5. Fractions that when you turn over the domino have to be created that are less than 1. You can't create a fraction that is greater than 1. Okay, and this one is 2/6. So I have to think to myself, which is closer to 1, 4/5 or 2/6? 4/5 is, so this player would get both the dominoes. All right, so we're gonna go again, 3/5. Ooh, now that is a 1. So we said it couldn't go over 1, but it can be a 1. So this person, player 2, wins. So you're gonna continue playing back and forth this way. 6/6 or 1/2. Well, 6/6 is larger until all the dominoes are used. Well, 1/6 is greater than 0/4, that's for sure. And at the end, the player with the most dominoes, 0/3 and 1/3, gets to win the game. So this game is called Fraction Domino Top It. Ooh, okay. This goes this way.